I have a juicy one for you today, guys. I'm going to show you how to make money online with a brand new method to this channel. So I've never mentioned this method on this channel before. It's brand new to you guys on this particular channel. And what I'm going to do is take you through step by step on how to make money with this method. I'm also going to show you someone that's making money with this right now. I'm going to show you their results. They're making around about $6,000, $8,000 to $10,000 per month. It kind of varies. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this from starting. So how to start doing this. And then I'm going to show you how this all works. And I'm going to show you how you can scale this to the next level. So make sure you stay to the end so you understand exactly how this method works. It's a really, really cool method. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. I bring out videos every single week on how to make money online, entrepreneurship, how you can start your own business, and all that sort of good stuff. So if you're ready to jump into this video, guys, hit that like button. Let's jump in, and I'm going to show you this method. It's probably going to blow your mind because it's so simple to do. It's so easy to understand. It's really crazy. It's easy to do. Now, this method is something we're actually going to talk about the method in a second and how it all works. But what I want to do is I quickly just want to show you these results of someone that's actually doing this right now. So we're inside my computer right now, and this person is doing this. So in August last year, 2018, these are the screenshots that they sent me then. They were getting payments of $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, $1,200, $1,000. Just last week, they managed to get a payment of $6,000. They sent me this screenshot. I think the person paid up front a quarter of it for the invoice and stuff. Now, the good thing about this method is this person is actually not doing any work. He's just collecting money. And I know that might sound too good to be true. There's no guarantees you ever make money online. But what he does, he essentially uses a service called drop servicing, not drop shipping, drop servicing. So let me explain to you exactly how that works and how you can do this yourself, because it's a really good method if you're completely new to making money online and you're just starting and you really don't have any idea where to start. Okay, there's lots of other methods I have on my channel if you want to check those out, but this is how drop servicing works and I'll show you how you can do it in a second. So drop servicing essentially works like this. We have this guy over here and he goes online and he searches for a service. And then what you do is you sell a service for a price. I'll talk about services and all that stuff in a second. You don't actually have to have any skills in anything. Then what happens is you go and find someone else that does that service and you pay them less money, so $20, $30, $40. And then once that product is finished or that service that person ordered, you send that back to the person that purchased from you. So you're a middleman. It's like drop shipping, but it's called drop servicing. It's a really good business model. Now, what happens is you make money from doing this. So once this guy's purchased and we do and he buys from us and we send it to someone to do it at a cheaper price. In this particular example, I would make $99 in profit. So how does this work? Let me explain. Let's say I want to go and find a YouTube video editor, which I do have one and I pay someone to do this for me. What I would do is I'd go into Google and I would put in YouTube video editor and I would hit enter and I would search for a YouTube video editor. Then I would find a website that I would pay money to where they would create a video for me for a specific price. So for example, we have this website here called videochops.com. It's quite a nice little website. If I clicked on this website and went to pricing plans, they will do me a video, a one-off price for one video edit for $119, right? And that's one video, royalty-free images, 48-hour turnaround, and all that sort of stuff. So let's say I go and purchase this particular product. Now, if this was your website, and I do think that these guys actually do drop servicing, apparently, what I can then do is I can go to Fiverr.com, and there's other websites like it, and I can put in video editing. I've already put it in there, video editing, and I can find someone that would edit that video for a cheaper price. So for example, this guy would do it for $20. There's someone here that would do it for $30, $10, $20, $95. Let's click on this one here that says $10, right? Now, $10, you might not get a very good video. I'm not really sure, but we would get up to 16 minutes of footage provided, up to 10 minutes running time. So that's a 10-minute video for $10. That is extremely cheap. So I could literally go and set up my own site like this, and then I could go to Fiverr.com and I could get someone to, do these videos. Now you can also add upsells. So you can have a basic, a standard, a premium. So you could create your own site based on these upsells. So we're going to talk about two ways that you can do this. well, one way to get set up, and then we're going to talk about 2 ways on how you can actually get clients and customers to purchase from you, because that's the most important part. If you don't have people that purchase from you, then you're not going to make any money. But if we actually go back to Fiverr, the YouTube videos is just an example. You can do this stuff on pretty much anything. So PDF book design covers, that's a popular one. Podcast cover art. We could do graphics for streamers. We could do all sorts of stuff. But how do you actually find out what you should do stuff based on, right? Because sometimes you don't know what you should do. I will talk about that in a second when we start to get into the traffic and how you should actually get that. But what you want to do first is you want to actually set up a basic website or landing page. To do that, you can use products like ClickFunnels or Kartra. These are the 2 top page builders online right now, and they do cost a little bit of money, but that's just part of the game. You can use these systems to create pages like this, okay? And you create a page and you basically, so you find some sort of service that you want to do. I would recommend video editing, banner design. You're not actually doing the stuff, right? You're just the middleman. Banner design, ebook covers, logos, and all that sort of stuff. You go and create yourself a simple website just like this using programs like ClickFunnels.com or Kartra. You create a landing page, a sales page, where you can actually have your service, okay? So let's just say that you've gone and created something like this, and this is your link. There's 2 ways you can get the traffic to this, and this is my favorite way first. You can actually do what we call Google Ads. So for example, if I just go into Google right now, and I put in video editing services, there's ads here. You're literally placing the ads right in front of people who have searched for something. So old Joe here, or Bob, or whatever his name is, has put in YouTube video editing, and he's gone down and he's clicked on one of your ads and he buys your service. It's like direct marketing right in their face. Now, to do this, you want to go to sign up to Google Ads. I have a full tutorial on that on my channel that will show you how to run ads and sign up to Google Ads. This isn't a tutorial on that. But what you want to do is you want to go to Tools, and you want to go to Keyword Planner, and you want to put in some keywords. So I've put in YouTube Video Editor, and there's a few things I want to look for, because these are the keywords I'm going to be targeting when I run my ads. Number 1, I want to look for the search volume. So this particular keyword is getting 60,000 searches per month, which is very good. It's very high. Now, also you want to look at the competition. You want it to be low or medium. If it's high, then you're going to be spending more on your ad cost. Medium or low. If we did YouTube Editor, this one is getting lower search volume, 25,000 per month, 27,000 per month. However, it's got lower advertising competition. So you could also run ads to that keyword as well, and your website will show up, and you can just see which one performs better for you. Okay, so that's what we're doing. We're essentially going out there. We're getting people that are typing something in, so that, like, I've done this, guys. I have a video editor on my team that I hired, and he had his own service. I don't know if he outsources it or not. He might be a drop servicer, but I pay him money to do my videos. And then once they buy your service, you just go to Fiverr or something similar, and you pay someone else to do it for you. When it's completed, you send the item back to the person who did the purchase, and then you collect basically your money in the middle. You get profit. It's like drop shipping, but a different scenario. Now, another way that you can do this, guys, is you can actually use a website called Upwork to get some free jobs or free traffic. So if I put in video editor in here, editor or video editing, people are charging quite good money on this website to do video editing. So here we go. So this person's charging $58 per hour, $40 per hour, up to $50 per hour, $35 per hour, $60 per hour, $50 per hour, $50 per hour, and $60 per hour. It usually takes like 3 to 4 hours to edit a 10 to 20 minute video, depending on how much is involved, right? So you can go and basically list yourself on here as a video editor. Then when someone purchases from you from Upwork, you can go back to Fiverr and you can pay someone at a lower cost. This guy here has actually got really good ratings. Pay someone at a lower cost to do the video. Basic editing here, up to 15 minutes of footage provided, $20. And then you can send it back to the person who originally hired you to do the job, and they don't need to know that you are outsourcing it to anybody else. It's a perfectly legal business. All right, guys, so that's how you can do drop servicing online. It's a really good method. I actually have a blog article on drop servicing and all that sort of stuff. We did it not that long ago, so you can check that out in the description. I also have some videos up on the right that will take you through step by step some other methods on how you can make money online. They're very easy to do. And I also have a playlist that you can click if you want to learn more about a method called affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, hit that like button, guys. Have any questions, let me know below, and I'll see you in the video on the right.